Alright, if you've never owned a Ducati before, this is pretty cool. So every 12 months, you're supposed to get your bike serviced. So what this will do, it will actually count down the days within the last month. So right now, I have 12 days to get serviced. Today being that day where I will bring it in. So how convenient. And if you go into your settings manual here, it will also tell you other things, such as your oil service. So another 4,000 K, I would need an oil service. My decimal service, about 6,000 K away. Of course, at the bottom, the annual service. Now, when I get my annual service done, they will do the oil change, of course, and reset that. So, yeah, technology is pretty cool if you're a busy guy like me. Either hate it or embrace it. And I'm telling you, with this bike, I am certainly embracing it. Just got back from getting the bike serviced. When we turn this on, the countdown for the annual service should be gone. What? Yep, all gone. This should have reset the due date for getting my oil service done, which they have. It's another 11,000 kilometers. Annual service, of course, being 12 months from now. All good. Let's talk about the cost, shall we? Where I live, the shop rate's $150 an hour. So all in all, the labor was $225, $104.92 for parts, meaning the oil filter, the oil, whatever lube they used on the chain to lube that sucker up, and any of the pivot points that's in that cost. With taxes, where I live, because we get taxed out of the yin-yang, we looked at $372.81 to get this beaut of a machine serviced. What do you get for that cost every 12 months? Well, let me tell you. This is what they do. They check for recalls. 0 recalls this time on this 2021 Ducati. Of course, as I said, they changed the oil and they changed the oil filter. They lube all pivot points, check and retorque all major fasteners. They check the tire wear, which they did put a note on my paperwork saying, yeah, hey dude, 8,000 kilometers in and I have it down to the wear bar on my Rosso Corsa 4s. Just in case you're wondering what I'm running on this. Great tires, by the way. What else do we have here? Check brake life, which I got an okay. Not fantastic, but an okay, which is good because I usually engine brake pretty hard on this sucker anyways and rarely touch the back brakes, mostly front and engine braking. Check all fluid levels, service and adjust the chain and reset the service, which they did because we're all golden up here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, kids. So if you're wondering what it costs for your yearly service on your Duke, where I live, out the door with the taxes and all, if there's no major issues, $372. I will put a new tire on this in the spring. I will let you know what that costs. But where you live, this could be cheaper. You might have a cheaper shop rate. You might cheaper taxes. I don't know. Just got this email from Ducati. It says, "Hi blank. Your satisfaction is important to us. In order to offer you better services that continue to meet your expectations, we invite you to tell us about your recent experience at an authorized Ducati service workshop. We thank you in advance for giving us your time. Fill out the questionnaire." I think this is really good customer service right here. Anyways, ciao for now.
Why do they go in the fast lane? I never get that.